Good afternoon, everybody. It is Saturday, June 29th, and we're going to start our COT report for the data that came out yesterday. Just a quick reminder that derivatives trading is inherently risky and past performance is not indicative of future returns. We did have a perfect quarter-end markup into a new all-time high yesterday. And the big signal we see now is commercials have gone net short. So similar to the last three quarters, end of September into October, into the end of the year, into January when we cut our position, and then March into April, especially, we're seeing this shift from a long position to either neutral or to short, and then that has led to downside to start the quarter. So that's what we're going to watch for in the week ahead. The big levels we're going to watch are 55.14 and 55.50, as we basically stayed there this past week. Under 55.14, we'll look for 54.50, and below that, our end target is 53.97. Holding 55.14 will bring more of the same, and over 55.50, a new all-time high, looking for 56.07 and 56.20. We do have lots of catalysts this week and a holiday, so just be sure you're watching those closely. On to crypto. Unfortunately, nothing new here to report. Bitcoin has been leading the markets in terms of correlation, and its turn south is just another signal that we could see the same coming for the NASDAQ and the ES. Watching commercials add into their net long or stay net long into the Mt. Gox distribution. We'll see if they continue that build for another leg up on the push, or if they liquidate that position and then go short, but we'll have to wait another week to get anything there. On to commodities, still more of the same on the gold side of the market. We do have a very large short position by commercials, but again, that's hedging a physical product. So they're making money on either side of this. Don't forget that. For the week ahead, 2305 is going to be our big level to hold on the downside. Under that, and we'll look for 2256. Over 2305, we'll target 2361. And if we get over 2361, a retest of 2415 is likely. Again, lots of big data points this week with ADP and NFP and FOMC minutes, but just trade your levels and trade your plans in the week ahead here. We're now back to the 6J again, a new 3-year high for commercials as they have added in to try to stabilize the market some. So our big levels to watch, spot 00634 is where we must get over to consider any kind of long. In the longer term, we would need to see spot 00648 is going to be big to see any kind of major shift in the market, meaning looking for intervention from the Bank of Japan or a shift in rates and policy, something that would materially change the 6J and the yen for a move up. Otherwise, it's still going to be downside, but as commercials keep adding, we know in the long term they will win the game, as we've seen them bounce this a few times to de-risk. We'll look for a more sustained move, similar to what we had October to January. But our big level to watch for that is going to be spot 00648. The 6N, so commercials did go net short to a large extent and added to that on the drop last week. So we had our pivot at 612 and 616. And that was a great short location multiple times last week at the beginning of the week. Hope some of you caught that. For the week ahead here, our levels that we're going to watch, again, looking for the short to trade with the commercials. Our entry points would be spot 614, spot 611, and spot 606. If we actually can get under spot 606, we're looking at spot 599. And again, as commercials went net short to a very large extent, we're looking at our swing high holding at spot 622. So I hope you guys had a great week. This is the plan for the week ahead. And remember, there is the 4th of July holiday that the market is closed. If you want to check us out, you can at stickstrading.com. You can see the courses that we offer, check out our Discord room, and check us out on Twitter or X. Have a great week, everybody, and a good holiday.